going to show you how to use a manual, no electric breast pump, step by step. First, make sure your hands and all pump parts are clean. Clean equipment helps keep your milk safe for your baby. Now, let's look at the pump parts. This is the breast shield, this is the handle, and this is the milk collection bottle. Assemble all parts properly before you begin. Next, find a comfortable position. Sit upright and stay relaxed. Place the breast shield gently over your breast so it fits comfortably. Now, start pumping. Slowly press the handle and then release it. Use a gentle, steady rhythm. There's no need to rush. Comfort is very important. If you feel any discomfort, stop and adjust the position. Take deep breaths and stay calm while pumping. Once you're done, carefully remove the pump and close the bottle. Store your milk safely, according to your doctor's or pediatrician's advice. Manual breast pumps are quiet, simple, and easy to use anywhere. Thank you for watching, and take good care of yourself and your baby. Optional and disclaimer, 5 sec. This video is for educational purposes only. Always follow medical advice from your healthcare provider.